Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I like to share with you a project that I made. I altered these envelopes right here. I got these from Tuesday Morning, and the paper that I used to cover up the envelopes is this collection right here. It is from Polkadoodles, and this one is called Snowtime Like Christmas. And I'm going to give you a really quick flip through so you can check it out. You can see that the patterns are super cute, and you can use them pretty much in any way you want, you guys. It can be for adults and for children as well. So like I said, I used this paper collection to add the first layer onto these envelopes. So I used this paper collection to add the first layer onto these envelopes, and then if you recall in a previous video, I made some handmade embellishments, and I used those embellishments for these envelopes. So now let me share with you the project. Alright you guys, so here is the first one, and look how cute they came out. I think it looks super cute. There you can see the back, there is the front, and they are all pretty much the same. I ended up adding a little bit more snowflakes to some of them. And here is another one, and I hope that this can give you some sort of idea for those last minute quick projects we all are making. And especially if they're handmade, I love it when I love it personally when I receive something handmade, because it's just more meaningful. So that is it for today, you guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and don't forget to check out the description box for a direct link to the Winnie Christmas wishes, as well as this paper collection that I shared. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all are having an amazing day. Bye everyone.